Children, how are you? Hope you are all fine. I, Jayati Chaudhary, today I am going to discuss with you Class 3 Science, Chapter 10, Properties of Water. Let's start. Water is found in many places on the earth, in oceans, seas, rivers, ponds and lakes. About 70% of earth is covered with water. Therefore, it is called the blue planet. All living things need water. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing and for washing. Plants need water to live and grow. Animals need water to drink and keep themselves cool. Sources of water: only about 2.5% of water on earth is fit for drinking. The rest is salt water found in seas and oceans. Then from where do we get fresh water? Rain is the main source of water. Some rainwater sinks into the ground. We draw this water through hand pumps or by digging wells. So what we have seen in the first, that earth is going to be called as blue planet. Why? Because 70% of the earth is covered with water. Next, what we have seen, only 2.5% of water on earth is fit for drinking. So, when we are going to use water, we must not misuse it up. Coming to next, properties of water. We will see now, we are going to have 4 properties of water. Number 1, water has weight. As you can see in the picture, a balloon full of water weighs more than a balloon without water. This proves that water has weight. Number 2 point, water occupies space. As you can see in the picture, a normal balloon gets inflated when water is pushed inside it. This proves that water occupies space. Number 3rd point, water does not have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. For example, you can see when we pour water into a glass, it takes the shape of the glass. Last point, water flows from a higher level to a lower level. For instance, water of a waterfall always flows from higher level to lower level. Next, please come to page number 91, everyone. Water and water solution. Over here we will see, for example, take a glass of water, add 2 teaspoons full of sugar in it. Stir it well till the whole sugar disappears. Now squeeze a lemon into the glass. Stir again. Your yummy lemonade is ready. This lemonade water, I think, everybody likes up in the summertime. How did it happen? When the sugar and lemon juice disappear, let us understand it. When we stir sugar in water, it breaks up into very tiny particles. These particles spread equally in water. The lemon juice also spreads equally in water and the whole water becomes sweet and sour. The particles of sugar, water and lemon juice are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. When a thing mixes with water and cannot be seen separately, we say the thing dissolves in water. Water with a dissolved substance in it called a solution. Here, water is a solution of water and lemon juice. Please come to page number 92. Over here also we will come to see about conditions that affect making of a solution. Here we will see an example. Take a glass of water, add some salt in it, stir it well. You will see that salt dissolves in water. Keep adding salt and stirring it. After a while, the salt will stop dissolving and settle at the bottom of the glass. Now heat this salt solution and make it warm. Stir it again. The salt that does not dissolve and settle at the bottom will also dissolve. It means a substance will dissolve in water when number 1, you stir it well, and number 2, when the water is warm or hot. So what are the two conditions needed for making a solution? First, you have to stir it well. With a spoon you have to stir it so that it is going to mix up nicely. And next one is going to be the water must be either warm or hot. Now we are coming to the next point, that is soluble and insoluble in water. The first thing that we have to know that what is mean by soluble and insoluble substances. The substances that dissolves in water is called soluble substance. For example, tea, lemonade. And the substances or the thing which does not dissolve in water is called insoluble substance. For example, sand and oil in water. Next we are coming to see floating and sinking in water. Some substances which are heavier than water will sink in water. Some substances which are lighter than water will float on water. What we see from here, the substances which are going to be lighter, they are going to be floating, whereas the substances which are going to be heavier in water, they are going to sink down. For example, just like iron particles, they are going to be heavier. So when we are going to put it in water, they are going to sink. But if you are going to take a paper, the paper will not sink because the paper is going to be lighter. So they are going to be floating on water. Sand and stones settle at the bottom of the glasses, whereas leaves were floating on top. Similarly, there are many things which float on water while others sinks in it. They all are insoluble in water. Now we will discuss some question answer and objectives with you. Question number 1. What is a solution? Answer. When a substance dissolves in water, it makes a solution. For example, when sugar is dissolved in water, it is called sugar solution. Question number 2. What are soluble substances? Give examples. Answer. Substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances. Example, sugar, salt and milk. Question number 3. What are insoluble substances? Give examples. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Example, sand, wax and glass. Question number 4. What happens to salt when we dissolve it in water? Answer. When it dissolves salt in water, it breaks up into very tiny particles and they spread equally in water and form salt solution. Next we are coming to filling the blanks. Number 1. Water is a matter in liquid form. Number 2. Water has weight and occupies space. Number 3. Water takes the shape of the container. Number 4. Water flows from a higher level to a lower level. Number 5. Substances dissolve more in warm or hot water. Students, hope you all enjoyed the class. Now please read the chapter nicely and do the science assignment in your Science Interleave copy. Thank you.